picture, sweeter than a swisher. Mad cause I'm cuter than the girl that's with you.
What's up, what's good, you guys? It's your girl Michaela Janae here, back with another video. And for today's video, I'm finally hitting you guys up with my first relaxer update of 2020. I got a relaxer yesterday for me, which was January 17th, I believe. I used a Mizani Mild as usual. If you guys have not watched any of my relaxer updates, please go back and watch them. This is my first relaxer update, I believe, with short hair. Maybe, I don't know. I know I took a little break from recording them. This is the relaxer I use. So a little bit about me, if you're new to my channel, is that I don't like my hair super duper straight. Me and my mom actually have really curly hair for relaxed girls. Our hair never gets bone straight. We have some texture. I can do wash and goes. I can do twist outs. That's how much texture me and my mom likes to have in our hair while still having our edges be able to be laid. So that's the type of relaxed person I am. I try to make sure I stay with a mild Mizani butter blend that has oils in it to where it's not too harsh, because I don't like to have super chemically processed hair. I like for my hair to be really healthy, really strong, so where I can still color my hair. I do permanently color my hair, you know, throughout the year. So I do a lot to my hair while keeping it on my head, keeping it healthy. As far as length, I did cut it before my relaxer, so it's pretty short right now. And as you can see, it's curled, but it's like coming off 3 inches from my head, and the front is of course longer. The front comes about right here, almost a little bit below my mouth. Yeah, the relaxer process was good. I have a few chemical burns, not a lot, because I was scratching a good little bit, because lately my scalp has been super dry and I need to get back on greasing my scalp. I will be doing another hair grease videos. If that's how you found my channel, more grease videos are on the way. I want to show you guys how you can add hair grease back into your hair regimen for 2020. But I know I definitely need to get back in my grease game, because my scalp has been super dry lately with all this cold weather I've been getting. So now let's talk about my hair goals for 2020. I am planning to grow my hair back out. So for any of you who was waiting for that, it's coming. So now I am going to document my journey of how I'm growing my hair back out, you know, what I'm using, what I'm doing, all that type of stuff. So if you're interested in that, please let me know, because if y'all don't care, I'm gonna just do it by myself and we're just gonna see the growth in my videos. But if you guys would like to know how I plan to, you know, have a bob or longer by the end of the year, let me know and I can document that. I don't think I'm going to cut it anymore. I'm just gonna let it grow out and try to style it through the different cuts. So that should be really interesting. That was my plan anyway. I was gonna cut it really short and then see the styles that I could get when it grows out. Color wise, I think I'm going to keep this color for a while. It looks black on camera, but I use a blue, so it's like blue, purple, all that type of stuff. I think I'm going to stay in that family range for right now, but who knows. I'm someone who loves color. If you guys don't know, I've had pink, I've had blue, green, I've had a couple different colors just in the last couple months. So who knows where my hair is gonna go, but I know one thing, that my hair is gonna grow. So I'm super excited about that. I don't know how much I'll be stretching this year. Last year I only got like 4 to 5 relaxers. I was stretching for about 16 weeks. So me and my mom are a stretching family. I don't know how much we'll be stretching for this year, but it depends, because with short hair it's really hard to stretch your relaxer, because there's like no way you can hide it. Your hair has to be done at all times, otherwise you're gonna look crazy. So I'm gonna be just going through that. I would like to stretch my relaxer, but we're gonna see what I can do. What else? I did blow dry and flat iron my hair. It is really soft. I use Cream of Nature to wash, you know, the usual, my favorite products. I don't really like to switch it up. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. If you guys have any requests for any relaxed hair videos, let me know. If you guys want to see my nighttime routine with short hair, let me know. All of that can be recorded. So I'm super excited about my hair journey for this year, growing my hair back out. I want my hair to be healthier than it was before. I'm just falling back in love with my longer hair, because I absolutely loved my short hair. Nothing's wrong with it. I love it. But I'm always looking for a change, and I'm still having fun with it. So if you guys are interested in my hair growth journey for this year, please comment and subscribe to my channel. Turn on your post notifications for updates on when I post, okay? Holla at me in the comments and I'll holla at you back. I'll see you guys in my next video. I hope you guys enjoyed this relaxer update. Let me know if you're relaxed or natural in the comments down below. So I'll see you in my next video.